Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I am not going to be reviewing Lion. This here is the kind of movie you go watch on a Sunday and spend the rest of the evening calling up everyone you hold near and dear and tell them how much you love them and how sorry you are for being a douche at that last party. Yeah, lots of feels. Lion is the incredible real-life story of Saru Briley. At the ridiculously young age of 5, Saru, who lived with a single mother, a sister and 2 brothers, though the movie only shows 1 brother, Saru is already helping his family earn money. He helps his brother steal some pieces of coal off of moving trains, helps carry rocks for his mother, whose job is literally to break big rocks into smaller rocks. One night, Saru and elder brother Guddu are out at some railway platform trying to find some work, make some money, when poor Saru, because he is 5 years old, falls asleep. Guddu leaves him be, promising to return.
इधर जा मत, मैं कल का काम निपट के आ जाऊंगा.
बस यही नहीं करना था ना गुड्डू. Saru wakes up, wanders into a still standing train and, well, falls asleep again because 5. When he wakes up, the train is moving and after a few days, the train stops at Howrah, Calcutta, which is 1500 kilometers away from Saru's hometown. I apologize if it sounds like I'm simply narrating the story of the film, but the saying, reality is stranger than fiction, fits here so perfectly. Nothing I can possibly say could make this story sound more fantastic than it is. After living on the streets, shunted from one childcare home to another, Saru is adopted by an Australian family and 25 years later sets out to trace his original Indian family. It's insane. सबसे पहले तो, can we address how Dev Patel has long bottomed? In fact, it is time to claim that phrase and change it to Dev Pateled. Wow, क्या गुलाब खिला है आपके पौधे में? Flower has really Dev Pateled. अरे बेटी, कितनी देव पटेल हो गई हो, शादी वादी कर लो है? You get the idea. I was okay with Dev Patel in Slumdog Millionaire, did not like him in Best Exotic Marigold Hotel 1, enjoyed the second part, though I think that was primarily because of Richard Gere and Lilith Dubey. But here in Lion, Dev Patel brings it. He's cute, he's angsty, he's flirty, he's broken, and he just does it so well, the entire character arc. One scene where he does a random Urvashi of sorts with Rooney Mara, you have to see it. It's so cute. But before you prepare to lose your dil jigar jaan to Dev Patel, take a look at Sunny Pawar. This kid is actually 5 years old. 5! Acting dekh lo. From the opening scene where he's standing and marveling at butterflies, to confessing in Tanishta Chatterjee, a random lady by the train tracks, that he's lost, to asking a kind Deepthi Nawal if they've tried their best to look for his family, this kid is something else. And if he doesn't make you cry, you have a heart of stone and we can never be friends. Nicole Kidman plays Dev Patel's adoptive mother and justifies her Academy nomination in a rather moving scene where she tells Saru why he was adopted. She manages to pull off something very strange, for the lack of another word, and does it in a tight close-up. And God help me if I hear one more person say, but hi, kaise si ho gayi hai na Nicole Kidman, dekho zara. I am sorry that she's not personally sexy to you anymore. How about you share a flask or 2 with her from the fountain of eternal youth and sexiness you found, huh? Priyanka Bose as Saru's biological mother is sensational. And if she goes up on stage with Garth Davis and the entire team of Lion, if it wins the Best Movie Oscar, I hope there's a BuzzFeed listicle on her every day. The second half of the movie felt a little stretchy. Certain flashback scenes where Saru is obsessing over his hometown and the mother he left behind seem repetitive. But this you quickly forget about as the realization hits you again that this is a bloody true story. Go and watch Lion for the real story, for the acting performances and for Sia's song Never Give Up. And make sure your mobile phone is fully charged after the movie is over. Mummy ko phone karna hoega na lamba. On a scale of 1 to 10, Lion is 2012 was when the story made global headlines IRL. Like abhi 4.5 saal pehle. Crazy, right? Nawazuddin Siddiqui has one scene in the film, but it is enough to creep you out for one whole week. This whole week, I have 2 videos. Subscribe now to Film Companion to watch them for yourself.